We now first, we train the information to identify whether the detected object is animal or human. If animal, it first identifies the distance. If the animal is close, the alarm will be in the frequency of 250 as it is the highest. But when the animal is far, it will be in the frequency of 175. But for a human, it will detect, but it only as we set the frequency as 0. And also we added that when the camera is covered, the alarm will be as danger because when an animal comes, but the camera is covered, it won't get detected. First, we are connected the webcam to the computer so that it can detect the animal. Then we use the Arduino to connect the buzzer, which will buzz, and the LED, which will glow when it detects the animal. This is the code for the Arduino we meet when it detects an animal. First, as we train the teachable machine to identify 11 types of objects or animals, here we added 11 if blocks so that we could add, we can set the frequency of each. We have chosen 3 animals like elephant, lion, and bear, and we have set far, close, and very close. We also added the block danger where the camera is closed so it can't detect an animal. And we also added human so that it will detect, but the frequency is set to 0. But when for danger it's set as 255. And when the animal is far, like here being far, here we have set the frequency to 175. And for when the animal is close, we have set it to 200 to 210. Then for when the animal is very close, we have set the frequency to 255, which is the highest. We also added an LED so that when the people are not able to hear the alarm, at least they can see the light and come and alert, do whatever steps we needed to shoo away the animals. We have connected the LED to 13 pin, and for humans the light is set as low, but for other 10 it is set as high, so that the people will be alarmed quickly. But as a human, it won't be when the frequency is set to 0. But as an animal, if the animal is far away, it will be very slowly. If the animal is very close, it will be fastly. Next, if the tiger is slow, it will go very close. If the animal is very close, it will be louder. But if it is very far away, it will be slower. So next animal is lion. If the lion is very close, it will be very fast. If it's far, it will be slower speed. Next one is deer. If the deer is very close, it will be like faster. If the deer is far away, it will be better. For the human body, next is just a prototype. We need to make that product and give it to farmers. Then they can protect the crops from animals and many farmers will be benefited. I hope this product benefits the farmers and saves them from losses.